The Tech Matters YouTube channel brings you DocuSign account creation and linking it to your command account with CaseyDoty. Okay, today I'm going to show you how to set up your DocuSign account in Command. So first you're going to do is go to command agent.kw.com. I'm going to log in. Alright, after you log in, you're going to click on your name in the top right and go to Settings. And DocuSign will be right here on the top, so we're going to go ahead and do Connect Account. And you can use any account you want. We normally recommend using your KW account, but you can technically use any account you want. Then you're going to click Send Registration Email. Then you're going to go to that email that the invite was sent to. Find that email, click on Accept Invite. Now that should open up DocuSign. Now you're going to create a password. Then you're going to do a security question. Then click Activate. Accept Agreement. Now you're going to be in DocuSign, but we still have that Command tab open, so we're going to go back to Command and click Authorize, and then it's going to ask us for our password again. That's the password you just created. And then Accept. So now it's connected. So now your account's connected. You still need to do a couple things inside DocuSign though. So inside your Rooms account here, for those of you that used to use like Dotloop has loops, DocuSign has rooms. So we're going to click on our initials in the top right and go to Preferences. First thing you're going to do is change this to the name of your market center. Mine is Arizona Realty. You're going to choose the correct time zone and hit Save. And then if you have the logo, we're going to upload the logo. And then hit OK and save. Next thing you do, you're going to go to Contact Information and put in your contact information. Business address. And it will not let you put in the state until you choose your country. Now you can choose the state and put in your zip code. Again, hit Save Changes. Now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to link all the forms. So if you know your NERDS number, your NERDS ID, just put it in here and then select your association. For those of you that don't though, we're going to click on Find Your NERDS ID. And again, now it's going to ask you for either your last name and your email or the last name and the license number. Now lots of times you have to remember the email that you use when you sign up for NAR. So the thing I like to do is just use the license number. So if you don't know your license number, you can find that in the state Department of Real Estate website. So for Arizona, that's ADRE. I just typed ADRE into Google and it comes up. And we're going to go to Online Services, Public Database, and then we're going to go up here under licensing. You're going to search for a salesperson, and we can do it by name. Hit search, and then right here, make sure you match that up, and there we have a license number. So just copy that license number, go back to the tab that has this, paste that in here, type in the last name. Hit submit. That's going to give you this NERDS number. Now click copy that. Now this return button does not work. It does not take you back to where you need to go, but you already have the tab open up here. So we're going to paste that number in here, and then we're going to select to find our correct association. For us, it's Arizona. Now this is not in alphabetical order, but if you click the first letter of Arizona, I'm going to type A and then A again, and it's going to show you where that is. And click Save, and you can see that validated right here. So that's going to link all the forms. Now, the last thing you do is you're going to go into the e-signature account. So you're going to click on the initials and go switch to e-signature. And then we're going to choose a signature in the e-signature account. So we're going to choose your signature. And honestly, it really doesn't matter which one you choose, but we're going to choose a signature. And then if you have a headshot, you can upload the headshot here as well. But that's how you create your DocuSign account, link through command. Thanks for watching Tech Matters with CaseyDoty. For other great command training videos, check out the rest of my channel. And if you like what you see, don't forget to like and subscribe.